Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add headings in Google Sites step by step using the latest 2025 interface. Whether you're building a personal site, a portfolio, or a business page, mastering headings will make your content clear, professional, and visually appealing. Let's start with the basics. First, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want to add a heading. Click on Insert and select Text Box. This will create a new area where you can type your content. Once you've entered your text, highlight it, and a toolbar will appear above the text box. Here, you can choose from different heading styles: heading, subheading, or normal text. Each style helps you structure your content and guide your reader's attention. Next, let's talk about page headers. Click directly on the page header to see customization options. You can change the header type to banner, large banner, or cover. These options not only adjust the size of your header, but also allow you to add background images, colors, and other design elements to make your page stand out. You can mix and match header types and text styles to create a professional layout that fits your site's theme. And that's it. Adding headings in Google Sites is simple but powerful. With just a few clicks, you can organize your content, improve readability, and give your site a polished look. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try it out on your own site and see how headings can transform your pages.